Well, guys, here's my harness from my Land Cruiser. I know I haven't had an update in a while, but here's the ground for the headlights, marker light, driver's side headlight, go around, passenger side headlight, passenger side turn signal marker, passenger side marker, horn and fan power, although I don't have that circuit hooked up yet. I don't have any of the relay, so goes over to the coil and the tack in, power to the coil, and this is the tack out, and this is the output to the distributor, and that runs down this length to the starter. Coil, our distributor, goes around to the alternator. Alright, and this comes up here to this leg, and this goes all the way to the back of the truck. This is the sending unit for the fuel. Goes around, comes to the passenger side tail light, and then this wire goes up to the marker light and speaker. This is the ground. Trailer harness goes all the way over to the driver's side tail light and driver's side marker and speaker. Alright, and goes back to this junction, goes up to the blower motor harness and the windshield washer wiring, ground and power. And it goes into the main harness, and then the fuse box is going to be mounted in the glove compartment along with power wires and the relay wires for the electric fan if I ever hook one up, horn relay. It goes into these two harnesses. This is the windshield wiper out to the motor. This is the cigarette lighter or power plug. This is the windshield washer switch. This is a reverse light switch. I don't have one on my transmission, it doesn't work. So this is the wiring to the blower motor switch, and then this is the power wire that goes to the back of the rear heater, and it's all on weather pack connectors. This is the harness that goes to the carburetor, the temperature sender, and the oil sender. And this is the radio wiring, and it moves over to the dash plug plus tack out, and this is the brake light switch. This is the main column for the ignition switch, dimmer switch wiring, and then this is for the turn signals and other stuff for the wire. I gotta put those back on when I put it back in the truck. And finally, the headlight switch with the driver's side speaker wire. So yeah, I'm actually really proud of this. This has actually come together really, really nice. And I think everything's gonna work great.